In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to fix PS5 network error. So firstly, go into your PS5 right here as you can see, and then go into settings on your PS5. And then go into network settings right here, and then click on settings here as you can see. Make sure that this one is of course turned on, and then click on set up internet connection. And now you're going to look for your registered networks, and the one that says connected, that is the one you're going to focus on, of course. And you need to find this button right here, you can see this one, and click on it on your PS5 controller, and then click on advanced settings. And now in here what you need to do is to scroll down until you can see DNS settings. Make sure that this one is set to manual. Before it was probably automatic for you, but set it to manual. And then primary DNS. You need to set it to 1.1.1.1 as you can see. And secondary is going to be 1.0.0.1 basically. And then don't forget to click on OK in the bottom right corner here as well as you can see, and then it's going to say connecting to the access point and then connecting to internet. Might take you a couple of seconds to complete it, but when it says connected now, try once again, and this hopefully should fix this problem for you as well.